What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Rad Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. As you can see, I'm dressed in a little different attire than I typically am for these videos, and that's because for the first time ever in Florida that I can remember, I think we're up to like 30 or 40 years or whatever, or Southwest Florida at least, it was actually cold for the Christmas season right now. We're on the downhill slope of it. It's going back down to the low 80s, high 70s, which is not awful for this time of year. We're normally in, I think, in the mid to high 80s, somewhere around there. I have never had a cold Christmas for as long as I can remember. It's always been hot or rainy and humid and hot. But either way, we're dressed up, we're filming a video. Let's roll the intro. We'll talk about why I'm holding this for a second time.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a thing you found.
All right, so I talked to my people over at Tucker Speed. I went ahead and got the Gen 2 from LEXIN from them. Again, they carry a full selection of LEXIN products. If you want to check them out, you should check them out. If you don't want to check them out for the LEXIN products, check them out for everything else, because if they don't have a product listed on their website, hit them up on email, messenger, phone call. You can always call the shop if they're available. I believe their shop number is listed, I'm pretty sure. Or Instagram. They're very receptive, and their customer service is very good. They get back to you ASAP. If they say this all the time, if they don't have a product listed, let them know what you're looking for. Even if you're not sure about the fitment on it, but you know what product you want for a specific bike or whatever, they will find it. They are authorized to, or they're able to get a bunch of stuff that they don't necessarily have listed yet on the website. They're adding stuff every day, but they're a small kind of, family-owned kind of thing. So it takes them a while to get stuff on the website, because they are, at the same time they're doing online stuff, they're also doing in-shop performance builds and stuff like that. You saw the giveaways and everything they do. So definitely get with them. Use code RIDINDAD, 10% off. And obviously, if you're not going to use my code for whatever reason, or if you can't, use my affiliate link, because it lets them know that I sent you guys, and it also helps me out. So help them out. They're good people. Give them your business. I can't say enough good things about Tucker Speed. So I went ahead and ordered the Gen 2 LEXIN pump. I just couldn't help myself anymore. I heard a bunch of people from the last video I did with this one, the Gen 1, a bunch of people commented and said, hey, they hit me up on Instagram too and said like, hey, the Gen 2 is, a crazy ton better, whatever like that. Granted, like I said, it is more expensive. I will be, when I get that, it should be here to me in the next few days. When I do have the Gen 2 in my hands, I will use it for a little bit, do a full comprehensive review on it, and definitely compare and contrast compared to that, or compared to this one. Now, the reason you guys are watching this video potentially, or the main reason, I guess, at least if you watch the thumbnail, this specific one is being given away. I will cover shipping. It's 100% free to you. All you have to do is comment on this video. You have to be subscribed. Let me know what you like about the Ridin' Dad channel best. That's all your comment has to be. It has nothing, doesn't have to have anything to do with the LEXIN or anything like that. Just let me know what you like about the Ridin' Dad channel the best, why you're here, why you keep coming back, whatever. Assuming that you are subscribed and everything. Randomly, it'll be done from when this video drops. It'll be Wednesday. What is today? I'm filming this Tuesday. It's the 27th. The 28th is when this video will be dropping. You will have 2 weeks. So 2 Wednesdays from now is when I will be doing it. And I don't know the date offhand. My phone's over there. So you guys can do the math. 2 weeks from whatever this is. I think next Monday is the 1st, which would make 2nd, 3rd. So it should be, if my math is correct, January 10th, I think. Is that a Wednesday? I believe. Yeah, it should be January 10th, I believe. Anyway, 2 Wednesdays from when this video is going live. I will be giving away my personal one. In addition to that, as long as I ordered a new laser engraver a while ago, as long as my laser engraver gets here within the next 2 weeks, which it should be here within the next 2-3 days, either way. Assuming that laser engraver gets here, I will engrave the Ridin' Dad logo, or at least the Ridin' Dad name somewhere on this, so it's kind of like a one-off thing. You could say, hey, look, I got this from a giveaway kind of thing. It's different than anybody else's, for the most part. And depending on how things go, I might engrave your name, or if you have a YouTube channel also, maybe I'll be able to engrave your stuff in this as well. Really just depends on how the laser engraver goes, how the giveaway goes and everything. No promises on that portion, but definitely promise on the Ridin' Dad logo, or at least name on this one. So like I said, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. It'll be completely at random. All you have to do to enter is make sure you are subscribed and you comment on this video, whatever you like about it. LEXIN Gen 1 pump being given away for free for wherever you are, as long as you're within the 50 United States. So if you want one of these and you either cannot wait for me to give it away or you don't think you're gonna win, I know I have terrible luck winning stuff and giveaways. If you wanna get one, do me a favor, do the guys at Tucker Speed a favor, head on over to Tucker Speed. They are selling them for the exact same price as LEXIN is. You can always use the code RIDINDAD for 10% off of anything really that they have. There's very limited things that they don't have. Their shirts, their t-shirts, socks, and everything like that. All that stuff is newer compared to the older stuff. It fits better. It's better improved fit. The styles are very classic. I just ordered something else from them again, and I ordered another new shirt because of how nice their shirts are. Again, they're very good people. They support the scene. They support us. They support you guys by giving you the opportunity to use my 10% off code for almost everything in their store. So go ahead and get over to them. They have a ton of Gen 1s and a few Gen 2s in stock. The last I talked to them was a few days ago. So the Gen 1 is cheaper. Like I showed you guys, there's nothing wrong with it. It works fine. It is smaller. It's a smaller footprint than the Gen 2. So if that's something you're concerned about, you know, it fits better in like a soft saddlebag, I would assume, because it's more contoured and it's kind of like an ovally stick kind of thing. So definitely check out Tucker Speed for the Gen 1s. Use the code. If you want to get the Gen 2s, go to Tucker Speed also, but I can guarantee you that these are cheaper and they have a ton of these in stock because they just got a ton from LEXIN, who had a ton of them also. So make sure you enter this giveaway. You don't want to miss out on a free customized LEXIN Gen 1 tire pump, and head on over to Tucker Speed for anything else you guys may want. Again, code RIDINDAD. It's in all of my video descriptions, the links there for the affiliate code, and the coupon code is right there. And to make things easier, again, I did in the other one too, but I will link this Gen 1 pump and the Gen 2 directly at the Tucker Speed website. So all you have to do is scroll down, click, and then enter code RIDINDAD. Thank you guys very much for watching. Good luck to all of you guys playing to win this. And until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.